Beautiful Rosedale lakefront villa is your next home or investment property. Featuring elegant wood laminate flooring and 2019 roof replacement, providing both style and peace of mind. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa offers a spacious primary suite complete with a large walk-in closet, walk-in shower and dual sinks. The home's side southern exposure fills the living spaces with natural light and opens to a screened-in lanai, complemented by an additional paver deck, perfect for relaxing or entertaining while enjoying serene pond views. Experience prestigious country club living at an exceptional value. Located within the gated Rosedale community, with no CDD fees, residents can enjoy access to premier golf and tennis amenities with a flexible membership option including full golf, tennis, social, and seasonal packages. Ideally situated just minutes from I-75, world-class beaches, shopping, and dining, this home also offers convenient access to downtown Lakewood Ranch and Sarasota, known for their vibrant cultural and community attractions. With a 2-car garage. New roof 2019. Covered screened entrance. Virtual staged. Nice open concept. Create your own design. Spacious kitchen. Primary. Primary virtual staged. Create your own primary. Primary bathroom. Bedroom 2. Join Rosedale Country Club. Dining and social hours. Tennis anyone? Full service pro shop.